All right, algebra. Here's the rest of the story of 8-5. So I asked you to figure out these exponents. I'm hoping you did that. I'm hoping you took your rule and you did x, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And I'm hoping that you did y, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So I'm hoping that you have this for an answer. Okay? As you go along, you were supposed to do, or we did 4, 6, and 8 in class. One quick thing before I move on. Do I need that little 1 there? Or could I have written this as x, y cubed? This is probably the better answer, okay? The little 1 doesn't need to be there, but it's good to know that it is what it is. All right. The next example we had that we needed to finish was number 4. So if I'm looking at 4 and I'm applying my rule, I need my 3 to go with my 3. My x is 4 times 3, and my 3 is going to be raised on my 4. So what does that look like? 3 cubed. I'm going to have x, 4 minus 3, because that's my rule. Okay? Times 3, I'm sorry. I didn't mean minus. And then that is over 4 cubed. Now, this, you may want to do this on your calculator because it's 3 times 3 times 3. I would do that with my caret button. 3 caret 3. And if you do that, you're going to get 27. You're going to get x to the 12th power, and you're going to get 64 on the bottom. Can I reduce these? No. If you can reduce them, you will. Okay? And that's my answer for that one. Great. All right. We had a couple other examples for zeros. So let's look at number 6. Number 6, I have x to the 5th times y to the 1. So x to the 5th times y to the 0, I'm sorry, I said y to the 1, but y to the 0, which is 1, right? And that's over x to the 3rd. Okay, am I done yet? X to the 5th times 1 is x to the 5th, right? So I can get rid of that. So now I have this. I need to apply my rule. What was my rule? If things are divided, what do I do with my exponents? I subtract them. So I'm going to get x to the 5th minus 3, or x squared. And that's my answer. The y to the 0 power comes out of it completely because that's equal to 1. All right? All right, what about number 7? Number 7. Remember in class, or in the notes, we talked about this. 5 times x to the 0 is 1. Now this is 5x to the 0 power. So what's this going to be equal to? I'm hoping you said 1. All right. That is it. That's the rest of the story. God bless.